Tia, and welcome back to my channel where we talk about marketing, copywriting, and ghostwriting. Thank you for clicking on the video. And today's video, we're talking about 5 steps to building value. Okay, this is basically how to increase your chances of getting a sale. All right, so the first step is the introduction. The introduction is the most important, which is your introduction. It's the first impression. It's the lasting impression. So you got to smile, even though it's hard for me to just go around smiling, but you just got to do it. It helps. It's contagious. It'll help people feel good. It'll help people to get in a good mood. So you also need eye contact, which is why I'm trying to maintain eye contact with this camera, even though it's difficult to do. Because if I'm looking at myself, my eyes go this way. But anyway, also you should have enthusiasm. It builds curiosity. People are more interested to hearing from a person that has a little bit more enthusiasm, even though you might be a more mellow person normally, like I am, and it's part of your introduction is the segue. That's your icebreaker. Should be a smooth transition. You're trying to relax, be relaxed, be yourself while you're doing this. So a way that I saw my mentor do a lot, she would compliment people as they walk in. It'll be a genuine compliment, something that they like. She likes about their outfit or their hair or style or whatever. So you would try to find common ground with that person. And then she lets them go into the store and get their food. And then as they're coming out, that's when we stop them again. And we already had our first interaction. It'll be a good interaction, hopefully. The second, number 2. So there's 5. We're on number 2. We're at short stories. So short stories, that's there are 3 W's. That's who we are, what we do, and why we do it. So the 3 W's are very important. Right away after introduction, you want to introduce the 3 W's for whatever you are selling or promoting. So you should keep it short and simple. That's the KISS acronym. Keep it short and simple. And number 3, we have the presentation. This is like the most, well, they're all really important, but it's one of the most important parts. So basically, you put whatever it is that you're trying to get the person to donate or sell or buy, you will put that in their hands. So even if it's just a donation and it's a service, you would put maybe a lamination form, whatever it is that's already copywritten and everything. You would present it to them, and so that they're holding it, so that they can see it and read it. So that's very important. Also, when you're using language, you would want to say bucks instead of dollars. And I thought, oh, that's cool. It's a neat little psychological thing that we don't even consider, that we put higher value on on dollars, and you would want to say the dollars rather than saying bucks, like, oh, it's just $50. So you'd be more willing to give that. All right, almost through. Real quick. Number 4 is your close. So you want to ask qualifying questions and that they would easily say yes to. And then assume the transaction. So ask them how they're going to pay, want to pay cash. We accept cash, card, Venmo, Cash App, all that. How do you want to help out today? That's what you could ask too. So you want to close with confidence, and always be closing. So make sure your goal is you're going to try to close them. And then after they say yes, you don't stop even if you close them after you get that yes, you don't stop there, you rehash. So that's the last step. That's step number 5, is rehash. And so remember, everyone has another side hidden. So if they're willing to donate some money, they can donate even more. Like they could double it maybe, or just add an extra $10 to it. So definitely do that. I've seen that a lot today and yesterday. All right, y'all, those were the 5 steps to adding value or to getting a sale. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment, anything that you would like that's respectful. And just let me know how y'all doing. Thank you.